Dear Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, with all due respect, sir, haven't you heard anything that is going on in Manipur now? Haven't you seen anything that is happening in Manipur, sir? Didn't you hear the voice of Manipur? People are calling your name, asking for help every day. And we, the people of Manipur, are very sad that you haven't spoken a word about it. And it has been going on for more than 50 days. 50 days, sir. But Justin, you haven't spoken a word about it. People are suffering. People are asking why our PM is silent. Why, sir? Why? I don't know if you will get this message or not, but if it happens, sir, this is my request to you. Please, take out a little bit of your precious time and help us out. Help Manipur. Save Manipur. We want peace. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Manipur has been burning for more than 45 days. Thousands of houses were burned down and hundreds of people were killed. Still now our PM is silent, even not a single word from him. So I'm really confused that Manipur is really a part of this India or it's totally neglected.
It has been almost 48 days since 3rd of May that this huge turmoil has affected the people in Manipur. It has affected in all ways, including economically, educationally, and the lifestyle of all the people around. So I would like to take this moment to draw the attention of these stakeholders in the ongoing government to please look into it and put it as a priority so that Manipur can come back into its normalcy and we can progress forward as a nation. Thank you.
I would like to share a current situation in Manipur. So it's been 48 days without internet, without peace. So we request our government to look after our situation.
We want peace, bring back our harmony, and leaders of India stop turning back on us. Don't wait until we crumble to dust. We want peace.
A heart-wrenching human tragedy is unfolding in strife-torn Manipur, with the clashes between the majority Meiteis and the Kuki tribals leading to the loss of over
We want peace in Manipur.
We want peace in Manipur.
We want peace.
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 We want peace in Manipur.
Instead of fighting, let's join our hands and pray for humanity. Let's bring back peace in Manipur. Thank you.
We want peace.
We want peace in Manipur.
Long live Manipur! Long live!